sit down in the yard like one big old cockroach. Nothing you not do. Nothing at all. You know what? You see that white gravel back here? More you pick out all I stone them out tight. But that's not possible. Mommy, I'm to pick out all I stone them out tight gravel. Impossible? What? I'm going to show you impossible. Mommy, impossible. Me can't do that. That can't happen. Me look like Sim. Mommy, I'm going to do that. Mommy, that's easy.
Brother, where are you?
Yes, I have to go to stone them out there, gravel.
Brother, that is impossible.
What?
You eat that?
No.
You have food. Who tell you to do this now?
Mother. You have to talk about impossible too?
Yeah. Oh, you put the sun for that, me, so we can silent.
Help him.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they